everybody. My name is Amelia Dexter on Amelialand.
And today we have a little early science day because we have holiday on Friday, so no school Friday. What we did today is we had a kit for making crystal representation of the coral reef. So what did we do?
Well, first we gathered the supplies.
Right. And we had some little paper versions of coral reef pieces, right?
And we had to
Go ahead.
And we had to get out the extra paper.
Right, yeah, because they had them intricate little layers, and if they just let it ship like that, they might have gotten ripped up while they were coming here, right? Yeah. So we had to break that apart. And then there was plastic trays to hold everything in, and what they call terraform powder. So a little powder that you would mix with water, right? So what did we do? After you broke apart your paper, what did you do?
Then we put it in the little containers.
Right, okay. And we had two for each container, right? So we crisscrossed them. So put one in secure, and we had to make sure that they were really close to the bottom, right? Because then what did we do next?
Then we put some of the something powder.
Right.
And
some warm water, right?
And some warm water, and we mixed it together.
Right. And once it was dissolved, what did we do with it?
Once it was mostly almost dissolved.
Right.
Yeah. Then we poured it in the separate containers.
Yeah. So we had 3 little packets, and we mixed up one and put it in one container, mixed up the other, right? And then we waited a couple hours, and bam, crystals.
Bam, we got this.
Yep. All right. And that's really cool.
It really is.
So it's kind of like when we did the experiment with the rainbows. Remember where the water was traveling up the fibers of the napkin or the towels, and it brought the color with it? Right. Well, the water was traveling up the paper, and it brought that terraform stuff with it, right? And that helped to form the crystals on the ends of the paper. So it all came out to the edges and gathered up, and it kind of does look like cauliflower, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like cauliflower.
That's cute, though.
Yeah. Never actually eat this.
Don't eat it. And the paper just got overloaded because there was so much crystal, so the paper bent. But I think this was a very good experiment. It was fun. And it's interesting to see, because we did that with the rainbow, and that was fun, but to seeing how it worked with this, when you send something else with the water, right, instead of just water. And that was lovely. I'm trying to think what else we want to talk about. Did you enjoy the experiment?
I really did.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
I'd say my favorite part is...
Is it at the end?
No, it's the middle where we need to cut a bit more because the holes were broad.
Ah, yes. Oh, so we had one of them when we went to put things together, they were not going together. So we needed to do a little more cutting. So this is our very own special project with our own unique cuts. Oh, which may be why that one fell over.
Yeah,
that is the one we cut.
Yeah, that's why it fell over.
Whoopsie.
Well,
our choices were have it so that we couldn't get anything to go in it, or have it so that happened.
Yeah.
So.
It was pretty obvious what we were going to do.
Loads of crystals and falling over is better than no crystals. All right. Do you have anything else you want to add?
No.
You know what to do. Take us out.
My name is Amelia. Actually, I think that might have been the weight from the crystals because it was already bent.
Well, that's kind of my point. Is the weight made it fall over because it was split out extra and it was a little bent and everything.
Yeah.
So now, do you have anything else to add?
No.
It's the second night in a row you've done that to me.
No.
You know what to do? Take us out.
Sorry.
Yeah, take us out.
My name is Amelia Dexter on Amelialand. Tanya, stay tuned.